Hi everyone, so this is another tool that we're going to use. This is the Sustainable Handmade Pricing cheat sheet, and when you buy it off on Etsy you will get a PDF, and in the PDF you get this link. Now you do not have to go and make a copy. The copy is already done for you. All you have to do is just click the button, make a copy, and it will open into your spreadsheet. Okay, so you can start using your spreadsheet as soon as you buy it. Now you can choose any currency you want. I've chosen British pounds here, and this will update the entire spreadsheet as you work through it. You can add or change currency in column H. I highly recommend that you use that you read the introduction page. It's going to help you understand what the spreadsheet is about. Let's begin. So in the product setup, I've already set up 3 different products. If you are a cosmetic handmade business, for example, here I've written lipstick, mascara, and eyeliner. And what you do, you choose your minimum margin, so the calculator will know what's the margin that you will not go lower, and then a suggested retail margin. These are written in decimals, but essentially it is in percentage. It makes the calculation so much easier. Okay, so for example here, the minimum margin that you won't go lower is 0.35, and then a suggested retail margin is 0.4, so 35% and 40%. What you can do here is you're going to choose your products. So if you have a range of products, you can add all your products in the product setup section, and then you're just going to choose each product so you can see what data you get. The whole purpose of this spreadsheet is to help you understand how sustainable your pricing is, the amount of work that you're putting into it, and the revenue. Does it make sense? Okay, because there's another spreadsheet that you can buy, which is the burnout spreadsheet, so this can work along each other. We're just gonna choose lipstick. So let's fill this out together. You only put information in the green section. Do not touch any other sections because there are formulas. If you touch them, your spreadsheet won't work. So time spent making in minutes. So here I'll put 60 minutes for an hour. The reason why I've put it in minutes, for example, I used to design cosmetics. In 60 minutes, I can make 12 lipsticks. Some people in 60 minutes, they can make one product only. So that is why I've designed it this way, so that anybody who is a handmade business can use this spreadsheet. Material cost per product, £5. Overhead per product, £2.50. Your chosen selling price per product, here £18.50. Your desired hourly rate, £15. And then how many of this product do you make per month? Let's say 250. And this section has what percentage of this profit will you pay yourself each month. So this is very important, is the revenue that you're going to make from selling the lipstick. What percentage of that revenue I'm going to use to pay yourself for the work that you've done. And here I'm going to put, you decide to pay yourself 25% of the revenue from this particular product. And at the bottom here in row 16, you have sell-through. Sell-through means what percentage, and this can be based on previous data if you have your business for a long time, or if you're someone that's testing out new products. For example, what this means is how many products can you sell out of the 250 products that you've made. So percentage-wise, I say 25%, and you can see the whole data changes now. This means that out of the 250 products that you've made, you think you can sell 25%, or you're hoping to sell 25%. This means that you will sell 63 lipsticks out of the 250 that you've made, which in return means you can make £1,165.50 from that particular product when you sell 63 lipsticks, and then you get a profit. What's left over is £614.25. In this spreadsheet, it gives you a minimum ethical price. So your minimum ethical price is £13.46. A recommended retail price per product is £14.58, and then profit per product is £9.75, and then potential monthly pay to you from this product is £153.56. Now, where did I get this number from? This is because you said that the percentage that you want to pay yourself from this product is 25%. If I change it to, let's say, 55%, then the potential monthly pay from this product is higher. Okay, and the time to make one product is 5 minutes. Now, furthermore, at the bottom, because this is about sustainability, you need to be able to survive off this business. It does tell you at this sell-through level, this product could bring in £1,165.50 in revenue and leave up to £614.25 to pay yourself before tax and any other business expenses. Okay, so you have £614.25 left, and out of that, you choose to pay yourself only 55% of that, which means you can pay yourself £337.84. Now, let's see what happens when I change a few things around. So you decide to pay yourself you decide to sell this lipstick at £12, and it does say at the bottom, you are underpricing your work. You are covering costs, but you are below your minimum margin for this product. It will give you warning, okay? So you will know if you are underpricing or if your pricing is okay. Now let's put it back to £18.50. Click save. Now, when I click save, it's running the script. This can happen and probably will happen because you do not have authorization. Okay, so a script attached to this document needs your permission to run. Click OK, and then it's going to, so I'm going to use another account here to show you how it works. Okay, so we are now in my other account to show you how it works. Click advance, and then you say go to price check. Even though it says unsafe, it is fine. It's just a warning from Google. Click continue, and then that's it. We're going to check, and it worked, and you're fine. That's all you have to do. If there's any issues, please send me an email. Okay, so once this is done, you will see that it will reset, and then just reload your page. That's it. Everything is sorted. I'm going to show you what it looks like in the database. So this is the database. All right. As you continuously add products, it will add here. What that will do is you can then check the difference in the product, or you can check the difference in the prices that you set. So for instance, for the lipstick, right? Let's look at this part. You said for the first one, sell-through rate is 50%. The other one is 25%. What's the difference? If you can sell 50%, then you can sell 125 products. If you sell only 25%, then it's 63 products. You can see the massive difference in revenue, all right? And then you can see the massive difference in the amount that you can actually pay yourself. And then the profit that is kept in business. So you can see the difference when you choose like different percentage, different pricing, etc. It will just give you a proper visual idea of what's going on in your business. So this is it for the Sustainable Handmade Pricing Cheat Sheet. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask me, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.